Hi parents, welcome back to our channel. Every new parent wants to do everything right, but sometimes the little things we overlook can make a big difference. Today, I'm sharing 5 common mistakes every newborn parent makes, and what you can do instead. 1. Ignoring baby sleep cues. Mistake: keeping the baby awake too long because they don't look tired. Why it matters. Overtired babies become fussy and harder to soothe. Fix: watch for early signs, yawning, rubbing eyes, looking away, and put baby to sleep before they get cranky. Tips: use white noise. Keep naps short but frequent. Make bedtime routine calm and predictable. When you catch those early sleepy signs, you save yourself from a meltdown later. 2. Overfeeding or underfeeding mistake. Feeding on a strict schedule or assuming crying always means hunger. Why it matters? Babies eat based on hunger cues, not the clock. Fix: feed on demand. Look for rooting, sucking on hands, or smacking lips instead of just crying. Look for steady weight gain. Burp often to reduce gas. Remember, cluster feeding is normal. 3. Overdressing or underdressing baby. Mistake: dressing baby in too many layers, especially indoors. Why it matters? Babies can't regulate temperature well, and overheating increases SIDS risk. Fix: one more layer than you're wearing is usually perfect for. Skipping tummy time. Mistake: avoiding tummy time because baby fusses. Why it matters? It strengthens neck, shoulder, and core muscles for motor development. Fix: start with short supervised sessions, just a few minutes a few times a day. Tip: start with 2 to 3 minutes, increase as baby grows. Talk about benefits: stronger muscles, reduced flat spots, early motor skills. 5. Forgetting self-care. Mistake: parents neglect their own sleep, meals, and emotional health. Why it matters? A healthy parent is essential for a healthy baby. Fix: rest when baby rests, accept help, and take short breaks without guilt. Tip: ask for help, join parent groups, sleep when baby sleeps. A calm, rested parent creates a calm, happy baby. Remember, no parent is perfect. Every day you're learning something new. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with another new parent.